What's going on, everyone? Gilman with Wellthy Stocks back with another Palantir update video where we'll take a look at how Palantir stock traded today, some key support and resistance levels that we have coming up, and based on that, what we think Palantir stock could do. So real quick, if you enjoy videos like this, hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and comment down below what your thoughts on Palantir are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. So let me hit record and we will get right into it. So a green day, a small green day for Palantir, actually a decent green day for Palantir for after hours as well, right? Up 73 cents for the day, which is about 2.9%, up another 30 cents in the after hours, which is 1.23%. So let's take a look at how it traded today. But before we do that, I just wanted to quickly cover that there was a little bit of news. So Jefferies analyst Brent Thill raised their price target on Palantir to street high $30 from $18 while maintaining a buy rating. The analyst said that they like the unique nature of the company's offering for high-end data analyst use cases, and the 30% they project 30% growth over the next couple of years, as well as over $1 billion revenue scale alongside expanding profitability. So great news, nice upgrade for Palantir. As you can see, it's trading in the 2620, so 30 is still a little bit of an upside. I've talked about this, previously as well, but they're getting more contracts, working with, governments as well. So I think that the growth potential for Palantir is definitely there, which is why I continue to hold my shares and kind of monitoring how the stock is doing for more short-term plays. I also have a Palantir Leap on, hoping for the stock to go up in the next kind of year or two, right? So let's take a look at how Palantir stock traded. So on Friday, if you guys remember, we were below this 25.39 level. And then in the pre-market, a little bit of selling off happening, right? We opened near the 24.23. Right out of the gate, though, we pushed out, broke into this 25.39 level, came back. Guess where we bounced? Right at that 25.39 level, right? So good validation of our level. And then kind of small stops along the way, pushed up all the way to 26.60. And then we're sideways. And then we had a little bit of a kind of period where not a lot was happening, below VWAP, above VWAP, below VWAP. Again, we bounced off of this 25.39 level, right? 25.43 was the bounce point. Pushed up, couldn't quite break VWAP, came down and went up this time, making it above VWAP. A little bit of in the after hours, right? So great day overall for Palantir from a price action perspective. But if you guys know, we're also looking for this pattern that is kind of happening in Palantir right now. This wedge pattern where it's trading in a narrower range. So this line coming in from the top, starting at 33.50, which we think or hope should act as a little bit of a resistance. This line at the bottom acting as a good support. So what we are hoping for is at the end of this channel, right, when it kind of comes down here, that it breaks out and pushes higher, right? So that's what we had here, and we talked about, okay, we could push up, get rejected by this line, and then kind of come down, consolidate, and push up. We could get rejected, come down, and then push up, or we could just trade sideways until the end of this channel and then push up. Which one of those it does, I am not sure of. As long as the pattern is there, I am happy, right? So tomorrow, a couple things could happen, right? And I want to cover all of those. So the first thing that could happen is we go up and we get rejected by this kind of 2660s, 2670s, and then start to come back down. Or we could start consolidating around this point, or we could go down and bounce off of this support level. Now, I know some of you guys are listening to me and going, okay, so you just said all three things that could possibly happen. What is that? Why aren't you giving more of an indication? Well, because I'm just saying that for the purposes of this pattern, any of those three can happen and the pattern would still be valid. If we go to the upside, I'm looking for a rejection of this level. So the levels that I'll be watching is this line right here, right at 2670s, which also is the next level at 2680s, and then today's high, right? So if we push up tomorrow, today's high of 2660 is the first level that I'm watching, followed by this quick 2670s to see if we get rejected by this level. If not, we break into this level and start pushing towards 2805. If we do get rejected by this level, then we could see a little bit of consolidation happening right here. On the downside, we've got the low of today at 24.31. Then we've got two levels that are pretty close at 24.08 and 23.62. And then we've got this line coming in right at 23.11, right? So pretty close levels of support there. Again, today's low of 24.31 is the first one, then 24.08, then 23.60s, then 23.15. Those are levels that I'm watching. Like I said, I do think that, you know, hopefully we continue this pattern and the that has been forming kind of here, and we either get rejected, see a little bit of consolidation, and then we kind of break out at the end of this for a push towards, you know, that 30 price target or this $33 all-time high. So that's, you know, that's what I'm hoping for, but let me know what you guys think, and I'd love to chat with you guys down in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day, and until next time.